Alright, today we are going back to painting a little bit. We got the block painted, got the pistons in, but I have the intake here. I want to paint. This is a factory J2 intake. Probably going to powder coat the trims on the air cleaners on the carbs. I got the heads to paint, water pump to paint, got things to paint, clean up. I know painting is boring, but we're going to paint. Let's paint. Painting with, I got dollar store paintbrushes, $1. I use them, I paint, and I throw them out. Okay, so we don't need to keep thinning around and you know, have a potential burning everything to the ground because of the paint thinner. So we have some paintbrushes. I'm using 415 engine enamel, same stuff we did the block with. I'm going to try to clean this up and get ready to assemble the rest of the motor. Some of this stuff here, like the oil pan, water pump housings, I'll have to go into parts washer, cleaned up, and before I can paint them. But the show must go on. We got to keep rolling. So, all right, here's our dilemma. I'm going to toss this out. Let's see what everybody thinks. Now, I have the factory J2 intake manifold, cast, heavy, okay? It basically is the Tripower from the factory for the car, for the 371. Over here, I have an aftermarket Edelbrock aluminum, very light. I mean, you know, very light. It's very cool, traditional. Has 3 Strombergs. And anybody that knows your Strombergs, they leak. They're gonna leak. So I was tossing it around. I either go with this for now, sell this, and I buy 3 Holley 94s for my J2 intake. I can do that, or I can just put a factory. I have a factory a 4-barrel intake. You know, I could put back on the car. This is much cooler. I like this. I don't know. We're at the crossroads here on that. So what I want to do is I got to get the cam. Obviously, I got to get cam and lifters for the motor. But this is happening because we're running out of time. It's getting warm out now. I got to have the car, the Oldsmobile, back together in at least by April. So we only have like a month left here to get things rocking and rolling here with the motor, getting the motor back in the car. Got to wire the car yet. I mean, I have it started, but we're going to go through that in another video where I'm just going to, I don't know, wiring a car, you know, it's exciting and it's boring at the same time. So we're going to do our best to make that a little spicy, you know what I mean? We're going to spice that up a little bit. But we are getting close. I'm going to continue restoring some of these parts, painting everything up, getting the motor ready to go. I'm going to order the cam soon. I don't know what I want to do with the cam yet. I'm still tossing around probably just a stock or a mild modification to the cam. Nothing crazy because these motors were just, you know, they weren't a wealth of aftermarket high performance parts really for them. But this is a workhorse, this motor, so that's why we kept it stock. So we're going to put everything back together and continue on the restoration of this 371, put it back in the car, and start using it. Warm weather's coming. All right, let's keep going. We are painted up here. Everything's painted up nice. Okay. I want to powder coat. We're going to powder coat these guys chrome. See what it looks like and finish this up. Alright, then we got all this to clean up yet. Paint, clean up, paint. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Motor's ready, waiting to go. We got to get all the everything else components ready to go with it. Alright, we're getting ready to powder coat the air cleaner. Okay. I already sandblasted these in my media blaster, alright? All I'm going to do now, what is this, 700? 600? Alright. Some 600 grit sandpaper. Just going to scuff it. Okay? Scuff. It's real important though to take. I like to use these blue rags and some mineral spirits, okay? You gotta get all the dust, all the crap off of here. Alright, gotta get this all off. No oil from your fingers, alright? I'm holding it from underneath. Alright, ready to go. We're gonna do the other two, and I'll show you what's next. Alright, got the gun filled with product. I have my push button. Okay? Push the button, spray. There we go. Too much. Okay, like cookies, chocolate chip cookies, going in the oven. Burn yourself. Okay. Set the timer for, it's at 40, so at least 10-15 minutes, all depends. Okay, now you can watch. You're gonna see the powder coat. Well, I set the camera here. You're gonna see the powder coat start to change and really start to get glossy. All right. Ding. Cookies are done. Ooh, they're hot too. Let that cool off a little bit. I'll take a peek. All right. Gold. We have our gold caps. We're all painted up Olds gold. These are ready to go. Comment what you think. You like the gold with the gold, or should I, I have chrome and I have gold. I personally like the gold. We're gonna see what it looks like on the car. Got to get the rest of this restored, cleaned up, put back together, get the motor back together. We have warmer days ahead of us. We need to get the car running. Thank you for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you.